Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for coming back to another video. And if this is your first video, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. We are in the beautiful city of Edmonton today, guys. Canada Day weekend. We've decided to spend it in Edmonton. Apologies for the siren in the background. This is a live walk-in tour. Emergency vehicle going by. Yeah, this is a live walk-in tour. I'm walking in downtown Edmonton. If this is a video you are interested in, guys, please don't hesitate to hit that like button. Subscribe. I'm here with the family, Nats and the girls, and we're walking in downtown Edmonton. You know, show you guys what it looks like on a real life day-to-day basis. Unedited, of course. This is unfiltered, so most of the content that you're seeing right now would be just straight as though we are seeing it. That's exactly how you guys are going to be seeing it as well. All right, so yeah, let's go and see what downtown Edmonton has to offer.
It's a senior's home.
Senior's home?
Big and blue, yeah.
Guys, just look at that skyline. Whoa. Of course, I'm hoping you guys are living vicariously through us. We try to do content that we think you guys would be interested in. A lot of persons want to know what Edmonton looks like on a real life basis. This is what it is, guys. One of the metro buses, $3 per ride on the bus, I understand. Let's go down on Jasper Avenue. Let's. This is one of the more popular avenues in Edmonton, Jasper Ave. A lot of businesses are on this avenue. Construction season. I think they're just renovating the sidewalk of the building, kind of thing. Curve wall, sorry. Yeah, it's busy. Happy Canada Day, guys. Happy Canada Day. CWB big up every time. Know how it is. That's where I got my start in Canada, guys. First banking job was with Canadian Restaurant Bank. Yang. Guys, I really love doing these kind of videos because these videos show persons a real life depiction of what it is like living in Edmonton. I almost said Grande Prairie. I'm not in Grande Prairie, so if you're joining this video late, Grande Prairie has not suddenly developed in this massive city. This is Edmonton. Guys, of course, if you like this kind of content, please smash a like on the video. If you like the video, please do like the video. Subscribe to the channel, guys. It really helps me out. And drop a comment. Let me know if you're watching from Edmonton.
Share the video as well.
What did you say, Bibbs?
Share the video. Share.
That is it. Yeah, we can walk. Almost run me over. Oh. So the time is now 5 minutes to 12. in the morning, almost in the afternoon. And it's a little bit overcast, guys. This is a bus stop. Let's show you guys what the metro look like from a close-up perspective, guys. You guys can't say you've never been to Edmonton. Show you guys in the bus. Everyone in Edmonton is so nice and friendly. Oh man. Ice cream? Yeah, lightning? It's a coffee shop, okay. City is busy today, guys. It's Canada Day, of course. Guys, as you guys can see, this is like way different than Grande Prairie. You guys have seen Grande Prairie in so many videos. You are able to probably describe it now inside out. Now you can see the difference between a big city and a small town in terms of development, in terms of I'd say resources maybe, and also in terms of even opportunities. So definitely this is one of the perks of living in a big city. There's always more options because there's simply more businesses. In a small town, pros and cons. Yeah, right here. I wish right here was a little bit cleaner, but of course the video is unfiltered, so I'll show you guys exactly as it is. Yeah. Let's try and catch this crosswalk. Of course, the city is very multicultural. There's all different ethnicity in Edmonton. So if you come, it doesn't matter the country that you're from. More than likely, you're gonna be able to find your community here in terms of restaurants, people, and all of those lovely stuff. Not sure if you guys are hearing the thunder, but rain is brewing. It's brewing. Is this like a mall? Yeah. Yeah, it's a train station. We'll try that out in a different video, guys. We got a video coming for you guys where that is concerned as well. Whoa, what's the big lightning? Happy Canada Day, guys. What's that? Not necessarily. You don't like the weather, give it a minute. No renting?
Yeah, I saw the stuff on
Guys, if you're moving to Edmonton,
this Mayfair is just right here.
the Mayfair is on another apartment. This apartment building right here, no renting. What's the name of this apartment? Capital Apartments is renting if you guys are thinking of coming to Edmonton. Capital Apartment, if you're seeing this video, link up with the DiAndersons. Thunder, guys. We're not gonna be able to go as long as we'd like because the rain is about to fall. So we probably just go for a couple more minutes and then make a U-turn. Or go on a different street, yeah. Let's go that way. Yeah. The Mayfair.
And the train station is right on the...
Like the train station is literally to the apartment. Yeah. That's very convenient. Nice little bar over here. What's that? YouTube, I do not own the copyright to that song in the background. Please do not copyright this video. I don't even know the song. Wow, that's a, yeah, let's try and get some photos right there. That's a nice statue. Let's go get some photos right there, babes. Capital Boulevard. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see if I can get somebody to talk on camera as well. Just ask them, you know, just a little bit about Edmonton, why you should move to Edmonton and stuff like that. But first, let's go into the middle of the street and take a photo. The Capitol Hill. Okay, I don't know what statue this is, but Nats want a photo. No, we're good. We're just taking a photo, we're good, man. Want a photo, where's the phone? Guys, we're literally in the middle of the road. You know how important these photos are? We're in these streets, risking our lives, guys, in these streets. In the middle of the road. We're in these streets. Come on, babes. Yeah, got some. Those are nice. Hey, not too bad, man. How are you? No, we're not. We're from... Yeah?
Alongside the highway.
Yeah, that's us.
Yeah,
that's us.
You. I saw you.
We saw you tooting as well. Was that you?
No, I was working in a truck.
Oh, I see.
So where the Edmonton sign is?
Yeah, that's us. That's us. Can I ask you a question though? So are you from Edmonton?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, let's come closer to you. So how long have you been in Edmonton?
I've been here for 16 years now.
16 years.
Yes.
So here's the thing. So we're from Grande Prairie.
Okay.
That's like 5 hours away from
I know
Edmonton.
there.
And what we do, we try to do content for persons who are thinking of coming to Canada, especially Alberta. And we're always trying to compare the difference between a small city and a big city. You know, Grande Prairie only has like 60,000 people compared to Edmonton. What would you say is the best thing about living in a big city such as Edmonton?
You have the only opportunity and advantage I would say is you have more links.
Links or resources,
right?
yeah.
Resources, and you know, because there are so many of
yeah
your brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
When I say brothers, you know what I mean.
And where are you from initially?
I'm from Ghana.
Oh, bless up, bro. Bless up, man. We love Ghana. We're from Jamaica.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So that's what I mean, right?
Yeah.
So let's say for me, if I know somebody is in Edmonton, new,
Yeah.
wherever, and I know the place that they are hiring for job and
Yeah.
stuff like that, I link the person.
Okay.
Right.
That's amazing.
That's the some of the advantages, right?
Mm-hmm.
But in Grande Prairie, it's just a
Small, exactly.
community. I have my brother-in-law living in Grande Prairie.
Yeah.
He was in Edmonton.
And he moved there. Oh, okay. Would you say it's expensive to live in Edmonton?
I would say no,
Why?
it's not. Compare Edmonton to Calgary or Toronto.
Yeah.
Edmonton is somewhat a big city, but the living is not that expensive.
Yeah.
Compared to other crazy people,
yeah.
Vancouver, Toronto, and
So it's a big city, but it's still cost of living is relatively low
it's
still.
relatively low.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's say in Canada, Edmonton, Grande Prairie, and other small cities growing up,
Yeah.
it's easy to buy your house. Or
That's true.
whatever,
That's true.
living the dream.
Would you ever leave Edmonton for a small city?
I'll live here. For now, I'm comfortable here.
Okay, okay.
So,
He's not.
I live in Toronto for years. I've been in Canada for almost 30 years.
He's not going anywhere. He's an
I'm not going
Edmontonian.
anywhere.
Okay, bless up, man.
Okay.
So, guys, as you just heard, there is definitely pros and cons in living in a big city as well. There's advantages, as you guys heard my brother just now telling you guys that there are so many resources here, and I have to agree with that. That's one of the disadvantages of living in a I would say a small city such as Grande Prairie. There's so many resources that we would have to come to Edmonton to get access to. But if you're living here, it's just right at your fingertip. So that's one of the advantages. And of course, you mentioned job opportunities and the cost of living is relatively low. Well, this is Alberta still, so it's gonna be relatively low in comparison to Toronto, Vancouver, and even Calgary, which is still in Alberta. But because there's a mass migration to Calgary, prices are definitely on the rise. And if you don't know already, Edmonton is the capital of Alberta. I have no idea where we are at. So let's go and check out the building. Okay, let's go down this way then. By the way, guys, we have no idea where we're going.
Yeah.
We're just literally walking, and this is like almost like a first impression kind of video, because we've been to Edmonton many times, but for some reason it's always on business. We never ever get the chance to like explore and venture out and stuff like that. So this is really the first opportunity to do that. Guys, drop in the comment section as well and let me know what you think of Edmonton so far. If you like this, if you like the setup of the city, what do you like most about the city so far? Just based on this video, of course. Solomon College, is that? I've never heard of that college before. Maybe. Man's getting his fitness in. Starbucks coffee. Right there. This Starbucks coffee look almost exactly like the one in New Kingston. Yeah, let's go. This is the Matrix Hotel. So,
Malika Day.
guys, I'm not gonna lie. Every time we come to Edmonton, we're so fascinated. I will always say, hey, we're gonna move to Edmonton. But then, on reflection, when we think of the convenience that we'll have to be giving up to come to Edmonton, we are always in Grande Prairie still. But Edmonton is a city that I think this is our favorite city that we've been to while it's been in Canada so far. The difference between Edmonton and Calgary, I find that Edmonton, even though it's a big city, it still kind of gives you a small town kind of vibe. In patches. Edmonton.
Yes.
In patches. It's a big city, of course, but you still kind of get that cozy, small town kind of vibe. Whilst in Calgary, it's a big city. And it's just traffic and congestion.
It's a zoo. It's a zoo.
I wouldn't say it's a zoo. That's probably derogatory. I'd more say... I wouldn't say it's a zoo. I'd say it's more congested and chaotic, right? But we love Edmonton, guys. And shout out to all the Edmonton persons who are on the video right now. We are really speeding up because the rain is coming down, guys.
We're gonna rain out.
Yeah. So, guys, as you can see, the rain finally started. We had to make a run for it. Everyone is wet. But I love the rain. But this rain feels different than the rain in Grande. Yeah, so we're literally on the sidewalk underneath a shed. Not so like the rain, watch out, she's wet.
I like the rain.
Everyone is wet. So we're trying to make it to the car now, guys. That's what's going on behind me. Bless you. Whoa. Whoa. Do you think we can make it to the lobby?
Yeah.
So what we're doing now, guys, we're trying to get over by Holiday Inn Hotel right there to just hang out. You think? Okay. Yeah, let's go. We have to make a dash for it. It's a raining. Guys, be sure to smash a like on the video. Really appreciate it, guys. Guys can see we're walking in the rain. Come here. Okay guys, we'll end the video right here. We'll be sure to give you guys lots more scenes in Edmonton, of course, but for now it's raining, so there's not much we can do outside right now. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way through to the end. Really appreciate it. Be sure to like the video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and share and comment. All right, thank you guys so much. See you in the next video.